electronic resources. So this is Justic. الخدمات اللي بتوفرها Justic: anti-plagiarism solution via Turnitin, editing academic papers, library equipment, database and electronic resources in Tunisia officially, e-journals, e-books. So يعني هنا بنتحدث على المكتبة الافتراضية العلمية اللي هي متوفرة في جميع المؤسسات العلمية في تونس. هذا بيكون بالنسبة يكون من خلال الكونسورسيوم التونسي، ولا مع الجامعات يكون individual accounts. Also, we share all the webinars and training from our editors online with certificates webinars. Our resources for kids. احنا بنشتغل على two categories اللي هم academic high school and for kids. احنا ما نسينا انه العالم بيتخصص في مع الاطفال. So we represent in Tunisia officially Just Easy, Just Joy School, Compete, نهلة وناهل اللي هم متخصصين في اللغة العربية. Also, our partners in Tunisia, like Springer, all contents electronic contents of Springer, EOP, widely transfers are available in Tunisian academic institution. بيكون خلال اشتراك سنوي مع جميع المؤسسات الجامعية. دونك هذا يعني بيكون من خلال المؤسسات الجامعية. Also, we represent Turnitin officially. We are official partner with Turnitin in تونس والجزائر والمغرب. This is our reference. So Turnitin, I think هي في عديد من الأشخاص حاضرين معنا إنهم عندهم فكرة على Turnitin and they use it before Turnitin, or they know that the articles, the scientific articles sent to many international editors that the check plagiarism will be with Turnitin solution. So Turnitin solution characteristic. So we know that the important thing when the plagiarism solution is be in database. So we see together that Turnitin in موجودة في 140 دولة. There is this numbers of institutions 50 institutions, the universities, the content موجود. احنا مش نتخصص مع بعض بنشوف انه موجود هذا الكونتنت في الeditors as official partners, as I shared with you that Turnitin is officially partners with Springer, I3E, Elsevier, Almanhal, Taylor and Francis, ProQuest, Crossref. This all platform use Turnitin as a plagiarism checker. So in the specific data thing in the database, we found that internet archive most internet archive content be in Turnitin that to protect the principal roles of Turnitin is to protect this database, to protect the personal information of each document submitted. Also, we see the numbers of document of premier scholarly publication from these editors. Also, the global student data papers database. So the principal, donc the missions of the Turnitin or the all solution anti-plagiarism detection solution is to protect the copyright of each document submitted in the database. This is the principal, the important thing that the anti-plagiarism solution worked about. So The language. We know together that importance of language supported by each solution. So we will see much some sub numbers of content submitted or with different language is in the Turnitin. So this slide speak about we'll speak about non-English language content growth since 2000 سنة 2015. So we see Spanish, French, German, Arabic, Italian, Turkish language. Donc, يعني all language supported by Turnitin. This is give the Turnitin the advantage to and the option to support translated detection. So احنا بنعرف انه في عمليات انه يصير الترجمه من اللغه الى لغه، ويصير العملية انه تصير الترجمه من اللغه الانجليزيه الى اللغه العربيه واللغه الفرنسيه او different language. العمليه هذه بتكون ما بين الاوبشنز اللي هم متاحه في ترنتين and can Turnitin detect this option في من خلال الاوبشنز اللي هي بتعطيها واللي هي متاحه في ترنتين. Also we know together the phenomenon of AI, and there is many solution in AI works in the for the paraphrasing, work to get to share with the users the content, scientific content, to use it in the illegal way. We as we can see together the terms generated AI, the Turnitin can detect the AI content in language right now, and باش تكون متاحة بالطبع في اللغات الأخرى زي كما اللغة العربية، اللغة الفرنسية، Spanish. But now the option of AI detection is available with English language. So this is the phenomenon that can Turnitin detected the AI writing, the AI text generated with AI, ChatGPT, paraphrasing. You know that there is many way to use it باش نبعد على الانتي بلاجيريزم ديتكشن. دونك منها البارافريزك انك انت تاخذ كونتنت بتصير تغييره في المعنى وفي في صيغه الجمله، بس بيكون المينينج هو نفسه. Turnitin can detect this phenomenon. Also, AI paraphrasing, text spinners, and AI paraphrasing tools. Okay, now we will start with some Turnitin originality check functionality. We will see together how we can activate our accounts. We will see together also how we can submit our documents and interpret and see how we can interpret the Turnitin originality check reports in the similarity way. How we can how we can filter and do some modification in our report to know the real percentage of similarity content in our documents. So as a first step, we can see together the official Turnitin website, www.turnitin.com. It's this official interface. You can log in and via this interface. As we can see here, login. You can add our emails and password, and how we can create our password. So as the first step, donc Turnitin account configuration. This is the first step. The admin of each university of each institution add the email of the instructor in the system of Turnitin content of account of this university, the user will receive an email from Turnitin directly, a system that a welcome email. So this is the step to validate and activation our account. We can as we can see in our slide, the administrator registers you as an instructor or student in Turnitin. The system sends you an email, a welcome email. So as we can start to validate our mail. So we click on get started to start activation steps. So we will we open the platform of the Turnitin. We click on the get started. Takes you to an introductory page in Turnitin where the first step, as explained in the first point, to point 1, point 2, point 3, and 4. This is the options that gives you Turnitin to use the platform. Okay, so we click on create password. This is this step that we confirm our address made to use it the platform. So in this step, after this step, we will add the email and the last name of the instructor added by the administrator. So they will, or he will receive an email, a new mail to validate the account within 24 hours. So this is the second email. This email will be to create the password. This password just we click on here or بالفرنسية موجودة كلمة ici as a red circle showed in the slide. We create a password new to and confirm it now, and we will receive it an email to confirm that we will have an account with email and password, and we can log in Turnitin platform and use it our solution. So we will specific now in quick submit option. This is the option that use it with the instructor and users to facilitate the submission of documents. So step 2, as we can see in our slide, the second step. So we will log in and connect and in the platform. As I said, we put our email and the password in the and now we will use the user info to account configuration to activate a quick submit option that can facilitate the submission of all documents that we can check plus the originality. The most important things that in originality check the system or in this product, the users or the instructor or the student have unlimited submission. There is no limited submission in this product. You can use the product anytime with the many number of documents is available of the instructor in this product. We in originality check OC. So the first step in the account configuration, we click on user info. So we as you can see here in this second option, activate quick submit. You click on yes, and we will activate the quick submit. This is the option that we will use it to submit it our documents. Okay. Now I have a document and I want to check it in the Plagia Internet team. So we will personalize our submission here. Okay, so we will click on submit. we will start the submission. Okay, so there is 2 points in this level of our slides. The first one, customize your search. As we can see in the slide, we will see search in the internet, search student database, tools, search periodicals, journals, publication. This is via Turnitin partnerships with the editors. There's search in the University of Monastir. We will take the University of Monastir as an example of each, because Turnitin gave an internal database انه بيكون في مساحه مخصصه للمؤسسه اللي هي مشاركه في ترنتين بوضع او الطلاب، مجال البحث للطلاب او مجال البحث. هذا بيمكن ترنتين انها تعمل حمايه للمعطيات، انه ما تصيرش سرقه علميه، او ما يصيرش اخذ من المعطيات الشخصيه for each document. Okay. The second point is submitted papers too. Submitted papers too is mean is انك يمكنك ان تصير تسجيل او غير تسجيل للدوكيمنت اللي انت راح تعمل له submission in the platform وتصير plagiarism check. So الاختيار بيكون عند المستخدم، هو اللي بيريد يسجل الدوكيمنت تاعه يكون في standard paper repository، انه هو بيكون على المجال Turnitin database or institution paper repository، انه هو بيسجل الدوكيمنت في المكان المخصص بالجامعه او بالمؤسسه اللي هي عن اشتراك في تورنتين. هذا بيمكن انه تورنتين تعمل حمايه للمعطيات الشخصيه المؤسسه المشتركه معها، وما بيكون في سرقة علمية من الجامعات الأخرى. احنا بنعرف إنه في جامعات إن هي تأخذ في مؤسسات أو في الطلاب، حتى في النطاق الأكاديمي، إنه الطلاب بيستغلوا الأبحاث نتاع زملائهم وبينسبوهم لنفسهم. وهذا بيمكن إنه ترنتين via this option it can take the student papers from each institution، على النطاق الوطني وعلى النطاق المحلي وعلى النطاق العالمي. or the last option is no representative، يعني أنا I can check my paper or document and I don't I didn't need to save it in the Turnitin save it to Turnitin database. حاب يكون انه في plagiarism، يكون عندي plagiarism report، بس ما بدي انه يكون في تسجيل اي معطى شخصي ولا دوكيمنت ما بدها انها تكون ما بدي انها تكون موجوده في الترنتين. هل هنا في المستوى هذا انه ترنتين توفر الاوبشن لليوزرز انه بيكون الاختيار عند المستخدم، هو اللي بيقرر انه بيحب بيريد انه يسجلها او الدوكيمنت او لا. Okay, so this the third step, upload files. So this we will see now the, 4 options. Submit in the submission files. I have now a document. I want to check it in the check the plagiarism percentage in this document. بيكون شغل شخصي او بيكون شغل للطالب. So first option بتكون in single file upload. انا عندي document one document، بدي اشوف انه نشوف ال plagiarism percentage in this document. So as we can see, the option is selected is single file upload. بنستخدم first name، بنحط last name و submission types. So this file sources can you choose from this computer, you can choose from Dropbox, you can choose it from Google Drive. هذا بيعطي المجال انه الدوكيومنت وين بتكون موجوده في موجوده في your PC or the Google Drive or the Dropbox. انك انت you choose the document and upload it in the system. Okay. So we'll confirm this step. As we can see, we have file characteristic in the second step. So the authors, assessment types, submission types, the file names of the documents, file size, the page count, word count, character count. This all I can confirm this step to have in the final step the percentage of similarity percentage, as you can see in our slide here. So go to we click on to go to assessment inbox. This is our inbox. As we can see, our similarity percentage. Our so we click on the similarity percentage to show share the report of similarity with our students. The second options is cut and paste. I have a content in the, that I worked with on this content. I want to be to check this content, and I don't need to upload all files in our Turnitin platform. Just we cut and paste the content in the case in the platform. So نحطه بنكون بنضع in the first name، نحط last name، submission titles. the content بتصير نسخ للكونتنت اللي انا بدي يصير له العمليه نتاع checking, and we upload this content as we saw it in the first slide. We have the characteristic files, authors, assessment types, submission types. The third step, we can go in the assessment inbox and to check the similarity percentage. The third one is a multiple file upload. We have 2, 3, 4 files. We can add it in the same time. We didn't need we won't need to upload it for one by one. So we can upload it all in for one time. So we have requirements for uploading a file for multiple file upload. So each file must be less than 100 megabytes. Files must have at least 20 words of text. يعني هذم conditions to use this option, and we didn't need to convert the file into a PDF, to Words, or to PowerPoint, or Microsoft Word. All types of files accepted by Turnitin. We can choose. So the second step is to choose the file from our laptop, and for each file we added the last name, the first name, and the titles. The last option is zip file upload. As we can see in our slide, there is also the requirements of our zip file upload. دونك هما اللي يجب المستخدم انه يحترم هذه الشروط لاستخدام الزيب فايل اوبشن. So it's the same like the multiple file upload. We can choose the file. We choose zip file, and we can add many papers or many documents in the same time, and we upload it in our system. And we can see for each document. We will see for each document the percentage, the similarity percentage. Okay. Now, as we can see, Turnitin similarity score ranges. The color of the report icon indicates the similarity score of the papers based on the amount matching. In each similarity score, we can see there is a color between each percentage. بتشوفوا in green بيكون الماتش تكست يكون بنسبة 24%. في اليالو بيكون بين 25% و 49%. بالاورنج بيكون ما بين ال 50% و 74%. وبالريد there is a high level of similarity in the document, so بيكون ما بين 75 و 100%. Okay, now the fourth step is interpretation of the similarity report. So this is the Turnitin report. This is a classic report. Now we have a new report, and بس بنكون احنا مركزين على classic report. بنكون بنشوف many colors, many colors, many percentages, many numbers. So each color on the report level represents the original sources of the similarity and has a percentage of each source relative to the total score. In the content, we highlight the system highlighted the similarity part, and each sources take color and percentage to know the content as of this original sources. It can be influenced in the global content or not. As we can see, this is a match overview. This is a similarity inside our panel. This all options that we will see it together, how we can use it to filter and to know the real percentage of our similarity. And this is 26% is the similarity score. Okay, so the filters and setting of our similarity report that is available for each user. He can use it. So this is the panel options. So the first one is we can use the option of panel. So we can exclude codes, exclude bibliography, and we can exclude sources by words or by sources. This is depends of the user decision or institution decision that they can fix these options and use it by the instructors and to filters the report to know the real similarity percentage. We know that there is يعني بيكون في جمل أو يعني في تعاريف متداولة وفي في جميع الاختصاصات، يعني في حتى في المجال العلمي وفي المجال الأدبي بيكون في قوانين أو في سيتيشن هم متداولين على نطاق عالمي، وعلى المستخدم إنه بيكون بيستخدمهم في المقالات أو في أو الستودنت can use it to in their documents. هذا ما بيكون حسب الاختيار ولا حسب الديسيجن متاع الأستاذ، ما بيكون إنه هو plagiarism. It's only similarity used to develop ideas. هذا بيكون من خلال الحكم أو التحكيم من عند المستخدم اللي هو بيكون instructor or the student. هم بيكونوا السيتنج أو التقييم بيكون من عند المؤسسة التعليمية ومن عند الجورنالز. هي بتضع المعايير اللي بتكون متخصصة بالنسبة للمؤسسات ولا بتكون متخصصة بالنسبة للطالب to submit their documents. Okay, so as I explained, so we can use the option of filters and settings to exclude codes, to exclude automatically, to exclude codes, to exclude bibliography, or to exclude sources by words or by sources percentage. Okay. The second one is the option to exclude sources. So as we can see, all sources with the percentage, there is some sources we can that the students or the researchers can use it in the reports in their documents. هم بيكونوا متاحين للمستخدمين انه بيستخدموها. So we can exclude it and filter our report by sources. Can select the resources انه هم ما بيكونوا في تغيير وبيعملوا تغيير على الكونتنت اوف دوكيمنت. هذا بالامكان انه يكون متاح لنا. Also we can restore the sources of similarity if there is an error in this option. انا بنكون انا يعني في الحاله انه انه احنا حذفنا sources من source من plagiarism list من plagiarism sources list وبيكون بالخطأ. احنا في الامكان انه احنا يكون بن restore the sources similarity in the list of sources plagiarism. Okay. Okay, now in this slide, so multicolor understanding of similarity report. As we can see here, the color highlight the content highlighted by some colors. We don't. So احنا بنكون انه بنريد انه نشوف ال originality content from the real from the original source. So just like in the first icon, the similarity between plagiarism text and database text. Also, just this option can انه تعطي للمستخدم انه تصير the view of the original sources in the full text. Also بالطبع انه في مجال انك انت انه في مجال انه يكون يعني المستخدم فيه بيشوف بيطلع على الاوريجينال سورسز، او اذا كان في ما في مجال انه يعني بيكون يعني البيمنت سورسز هذا ما بيكون يعني متاح للمستخدم. Also in this panel we see the visual comparison of similarities and underlying and sources and percentage of each original sources. Okay, the last one, the last option, how we can download the Turnitin similarity report. Just we can select the option of as we can see it in our slide in the red circle. This and select current view to start the download of our similarity report, and so it will be all content highlighted with colors. The option that use it in this to filter this report, the percentage of similarity report, and the instructor can share it with their students to that can modify the content or check rechecking the content and to be in the يعني بيكون على نفس المستوى اللي هو محددته الجامعة انه يكون متاح لاستخدام ال similarity of content. اوكي. Turnitin deletion options. انه في مجال انه المستخدم انه بيصير الخطأ انه بيسجل الدوكيمنت بتاعه في الترنتين database and as in the second try he will find the percentage of 100%. يعني انه الدوكيمنت اخذ نفسه كم similarity sources. This is that can تعطي انه Turnitin تعطي المجال للمستخدم انه هو بيقرر انه يسجل او ما بيسجل المستخدم، او انه he can remove his document from Turnitin database. Just select choose and select the document, and as we can see in the second option, the icons deleted. So we have two deletion options are available. Remove from inbox، يعني انا ما بدي اشوف الاوبشن هذه بتكون على الاكونت بتاعي. or request permanent deletion، انه بدي انه ان I send the request to the admin to delete it from Turnitin database. انه بيصير في الخطأ تسجيل الدوكيومنتس. This is Turnitin support. It's a self service. This is all about OC, Turnitin OC. Now we will move to iThenticate, the second product. It's Turnitin second product. Just me. Okay. Okay. This is Turnitin. This is iThenticate platform, as we can see in our screen. Okay, we will connect together in Authenticate accounts. This is report. Just let me connect. So we will add our email, also the password. Okay. Just let me check my password with the team. Okay. Okay. Just please, just one moment. I think there is technical problem with password. First, I will stop screen. Just a moment. Okay. Okay. Let me share my screen. Just a moment, please.
Hello. Hello.
ايوه سامعينك يا برو، اتفضل.
في مشكلة ولا حاجة؟
هو just technical problem in my account. Just a minute, and we'll share with you the platform screen. Just a minute. Okay. أنا آسف على التأخير. Okay. This is authenticate problem. I faced a technical problem with my account. Sorry about this. So as I shared with you before, so we will see together authenticate options, how we can upload the file, how we will see a report, authenticate report. This is the platform about authenticate product. As we can see, the documents submitted in this interface, we can modify it, we can move it, and we can share it directly from the this interface with another user by an email, and we can share. Also, the other users can share all documents submitted in the interface in the same platform. As we can see here, the setting, the user can fix the setting from one time. He can compare the document with cross-ref content, with the cross-ref publication content, internet, scientific publications, and the student paper database. We can so he can fix the filters one time. He can exclude from the report similarity report the citation, the direct citation, the indirect citation, the introduction, some correspondence of materials, and he can personalize the exclude section. He can select this option. This is for setting. As when he fix this setting, he can upload the files. As we can see here, you can upload the files. We have the document here. Just we click in the similarity percentage to show the file. The two options of the difference between authenticate and originality check. There is two option is we can compare two documents in the same time. I mean there is أنا بدي عندي معلومة إنه في طالب أخذ من content من زميله، بدي أشوف ال similarity report for this two document and the iThenticate can show us the نسبة التشابه ما بين ال two documents. As we can see, we can compare the document submitted with all Turnitin database, or we can compare this. We select this option. We can compare this the document of a student with another document. Okay. Here we can see the Turnitin report. This is the document. As I said, we click on the similarity percentage. This is the document highlighted in the right panel. You can see all resources similarity sources. We can exclude it. We can see the different sources of this sources. As you can see, the number of words in this sources. The highlighted the content, it will be highlighted from the original sources. This is the original sources. We can discover it, and we can exclude the sources if it can't be plagiarism sources. So we have the filter option here. This is the filter option we fixed it before. All options. Okay. I can make some changes in this similarity report. Okay. So we can exclude by this icon this sources. Just a simple click in this source. We will modify our report. Okay. 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 We can, as we can see here, one excluded resources, and we can see it here. We can restore it. Just a simple click. We click here to restore the sources, and we can see navigate in the report and see the highlighted part in the. Is it just this is an example? I take it from the internet to share with you the iThenticate report. So to download the report, just click here in the downloaded option icon, and we will find the similarity report with the name of the document, the author, the number of words, the page, number of page, and the percentage of the similarity in this document, and and the percentage of each Turnitin database, as we saw together, the internet database, cross-read database, the percentage of each database. Also, the options used by the user. يعني احنا في امكانيه انه في يصير تلاعب بال similarity report. So to fix this, to make it visible for all user, في الوقت انه بيكون في مشاركه للتقرير بنسبة الاقتباس مع لجنة التحكيم. هو بيكون في جميع ال options that had used by the user before for this similarity percentage. Okay. This is the all content highlighted. This is the all content highlighted with the colors, and the instructor can share it with the student and to make some changes in his copy to باش يصير تغيير في نسبة الاقتباس. هذا بصفة عامة إنه Turnitin two product, the OC also the iThenticate. I think it's for iThenticate is more simple that we can fix it one time the options that you will use it for one time. You can the difference is that you can compare two documents in the same time في نسبة ومعرفة نسبة التشابه ما بين these two document. You can remove from database directly. This is the option that متاحة في iThenticate. Also بالنسبة للOC هو البرودكت بيكون موجود في مختص في الجامعات انه في انك انت create a course and share it with your student, and this is يعني انه البرودكت مهتم اكثر انه في العلاقه بين الطالب والاستاذ. بالنسبه للايثنتيكيت هو في المجال البحث العلمي يعني زي ما شفنا في مع بعض انه الانترفيس بتكون simple, just upload the file and we get the similarity report with the percentages of each original sources to know how we can make some change in our articles of our student documents, how we can filter it and to know really the similarity percentage and compare it with the percentage that fixed by the institution to validate the documents of the student. I think أنا كثير صارت إنه شاركت معكم جميع المعلومات بالنسبة to product. You can تشاركوا معنا your feedback. This is our contact if you are interested about Turnitin products, and it will be a pleasure to share with me your feedback about this session. Thank you for your time. Mr. أحمد الكلمة ليك.
Thank you very much for this very comprehensive, educational, and objective presentation on how we can improve the quality of our research and publications. The floor is open for discussion. If anybody have a burning question, let us listen to it and have their comment.
Yes.
I would like to let you know that this presentation and the recording will be available at our website, that is the Federation of Arab Scientific Research Council website.
Yes.
I don't see anybody raising his hand for comments or questions, so let us close this discussion and let us hope for more meetings and more discussions in plagiarisms and ethical consideration of the scientific research. And thank you very much for your kind help and presentation. I hope to see you once again. Thank you very much soon. Thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye.